Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Another Love on electric piano. We'll start with the foundational chord progression. The entire song revolves around just 4 main chords: E minor, C major, G major, and D major. You'll play them in that exact sequence, repeating throughout most of the piece. Begin by familiarizing your fingers with each chord shape. Practice moving from one to the next very slowly, ensuring each note rings clearly. This consistent repetition is key to mastering the song's core. Now let's focus on your left hand, which provides the essential rhythmic pulse and bass line. For each chord, your left hand will play the root note. For example, with E minor, play E; with C major, play C. Aim for a consistent 8th note rhythm, gently pressing each note. This creates a driving yet subtle foundation. Remember, the left hand should support, not dominate, the overall sound. Practice this independently to build strength and timing. Moving to the right hand, this is where the song's signature arpeggiated melody comes alive. For the E minor chord, you'll typically play an arpeggio pattern like B, E, G, repeating this figure. As the chords change to C, G, and D, you'll adapt this arpeggio pattern to fit the new harmony. The goal is to achieve a fluid, almost flowing sound. Practice slowly, ensuring each note in the arpeggio is played with equal weight and clarity. Finally, let's talk about bringing it all together with dynamics and effective practice. To truly capture the song's emotion, vary your touch. Play some sections softer, others with more intensity. Emphasize key melody notes to make them sing. A great practice technique is to work on your left and right hands separately until each is confident. Then, slowly combine them. Always use a metronome to ensure your timing is rock solid, gradually increasing the tempo as you improve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.